lean back too much. Just use your own core strength and take a moment to close your eyes, placing the hearts over your chest, poniendo las manos sobre tu corazón. And just start sinking into the breath, feeling the breath coming in and out. Nothing else to do but just to feel your breath. Take a deep inhale through the nose. Let that breath be full. Exhale out through your mouth, like you're deflating a balloon. Focusing on breath only, noticing the rhythm and the quality of your breath today. And letting the breath flow like they're waves coming in and going out. No need to rush anything. In yoga, we have a lot of similarities to nature. You bring yourself back to nature. So bring your body back to nature by feeling your breath like waves that come in and go out. You see, in nature, there's no rush. You know, the trees grow at their own pace. There's no rush in anything. So take a breath in and a breath out. Relax your shoulders. Just accepting everything as is. Whatever you're feeling, wherever you are right now. Just knowing or having a sense that you are in the right place at the right time. We deepen the breath a little bit more, inhaling. And just holding the breath at the top of your lung for a moment, feeling the expansion. And then exhaling, relax your face, your shoulders, like a wave of relaxation taking over your body. Nice and easy. One more time, deep inhale. And let the breath be your own, at your own rhythm. Exhale. We're going to try to breathe in and out through the nose only. But if you need to breathe out through your mouth, you can exhale through your mouth. So in through the nose, out through the nose, in through the nose, out through your nose. Keep feeling your body and your breath as waves that are rolling and crashing and rolling again and crashing again. Inhale, exhale. And now take a moment to set an intention for yourself today. Maybe it's to bring healing into your body, to let your body recover. Maybe it's to bring more vitality or just peace to your mind. Maybe it's something else. What do you need? What do you want to bring into your life? And as you practice, remember to embody that intention with compassion towards yourself, with love towards your body. Breathing in and breathing out. And slowly open your eyes. And we're going to start with the shoulders, rolling the shoulders all the way up, back and around. Again, no rush. Breathe in, breathe out. We're synchronizing the breath with the movement. Inhale up, exhale down. Say good morning to your shoulders. I'm sorry, my shoulders, for all that tension that I hold on to. And just rolling up and down. 4, 3, 4, 2. And 1. And now from the back to the front, inhaling and exhaling as you move. 3. Trying to breathe deeply. Remember, you're bringing oxygen as you move. So you're taking advantage of movement, but also of breath. And slowly back to center. We're going to roll one shoulder back, one shoulder up. So one at a time. One at a time. See? Maybe there's a little bit of coordination or lack of thereof. We're swimming back right now. Swimming back. Not forward, back. And now we're swimming forward. Shoulders forward. starting to feel into your spine. Bring your hands to your shoulders, and now we're gonna incorporate the elbows, just making circles, like you're drawing circles with the elbows. Still breathing in and out. And now we're going to swim back again with our elbows. Feel your shoulders. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to bring the elbows down. We're going to tap the sides of our bodies. You can visualize yourself as your chicken self. And we're here waking up our lymphatic system. So, we're being chickens for a reason. So move your arms up and down, up and down, up and down. Just feel that tap in your armpit, your underside of your arm. And let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And stop. Feel your shoulders, feel yourself. Notice any difference in sensation. Now we're going to say a big yes. As you inhale, look up, open the throat. As you exhale, look down, open the back of your neck. Inhale up, exhale down. Big yes. Moving with the ride. Open and close. Breathe in and out. Feel your neck. Inhale back. Exhale forward. One more time. Inhale back. Exhale forward. Now keep your chin forward. Interlace the fingers behind your head and press your head slightly down using the weight of your hands to just take the head towards the chest. And now move side to side. So keeping the head down, you're going to move from one side to the other. Starting to feel the sides of your neck. You can maybe even feel into your upper back. Siente tu cuello, siente tu espalda alta. Now inhale, come all the way up. You're going to take the elbows out like you're stretching in the morning. Breathe in. Open your chest. Exhale, stay here. 2 more. Inhale. Chest open. Feel those lungs expanding. Exhale. 1 more. Deep breath in. And exhale back to center. Release the hands. Okay, now we're going to say a no. So we're looking over. So only your head is moving. The rest of the body still. So looking over to the left. Back to center. As you inhale, look over to the right. Notice any difference between both sides. Inhale back to center. Slowly to the left. Back to center. Slowly to the right. Again, no rush here. Back to center. Left. See how far behind you can look. Sí, ve a ver hasta dónde puedes mirar hacia tu lado. De vuelta al centro. Inhala hacia un lado. Exhala. Inhala derecha. Inhale right. Exhale left. Also learn Spanish here. Inhale. Look over to the left side. Now, see if you can take that chin towards the shoulder. So you're looking down towards the shoulder. And then you're going to do a half circle all around to the other shoulder. All the way up. And keep breathing. Inhale. Roll it around. Exhale. Just half circle. But if you want to do your full circle, that's fine. We're starting slow. And half circle to the left. And half circle to the right. Taking all those tense muscles or letting them relax, or those crunchies in your neck. All the way to one side. All the way to the other. And now coming back to center. Now we are going to go to full circle. So imagine there's a pencil attached to the tip of your nose. And you're starting to draw a very small circle that starts spiraling out. So you're creating a spiral. You can close your eyes if you want to. Feel your neck here. Breathing in as your head goes back. Breathing out as your head goes forward. Okay, we're just taking our time. Mondays are usually just very rushed. I don't know if for everyone, for most people. But taking your time to be here, to find stillness. Remembering that your body heals when it's in parasympathetic response or relaxation response. And now back to center, we're gonna do the circle to the other side. So we're gonna start small and we draw a spiral with our pencil. Circle. Feel your breath. One more time. And slowly back to center. Now we're gonna say maybe. So we're gonna take ear to the shoulder, back to center, ear to the other shoulder, back to center. So let the shoulders be still and only the head is moving. So one side, back to center, other side, and make a smile on your face. You guys look too serious. And life is serious enough. So I always say you don't have to be serious here necessarily, okay? Trick your brain to be happy. And now take the left ear to the left shoulder and bring your hand over the other side of your head. Now, optional here to take the right arm behind you. Brazo derecho atrás de la espalda. And just feel that light stretch. No need to strain ever. Just inhale. Let the exhale come naturally. Deep breath in and out. Breathe in. Breathe out. If you have a lot of tension, optional is also to just bring the hand like you have a pillow. Okay. Like nice and easy, just let that head fall. Breathe in. Huh? The don't fall asleep.
Like couple of hands.
Like let's not talk politics here. No politics in this room. All right, slowly back to center. All right, move the head side to side. Notice the difference between one side and the other. And we're gonna do the other side. So right ear to right shoulder, the hand comes to the other side. And you have the option to tuck the other arm behind, press the head slightly, and breathe into the areas that feel tight. Just breathing with compassion, with love toward your body. Breathing in, breathing out. And then you also have the option to use the hand as a pillow instead. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more, breathe in and breathe out slowly back to center. Notice how you feel. Let's take the arms to the sides. Careful not to hit each other. If you touch each other, just say hi. Inhale all the way up, reaching up high as much as you can. Maybe you can't do this today. Maybe it's here, okay? Exhale all the way down. Inhale, palms up. You reach up high. Feel your fingertips touching the air. Exhale down. You want to lift up your spine as you inhale. And just settle as you exhale. Big wings. Imagine you have big wings. Inhale. Exhale. Slow angel breath. Inhale, open. Exhale. Miracles apply. Inhale all the way up. Exhale down. One more. Inhale up. Now, if you can, this time, interlace the fingers. Press your palms up. Make yourself nice and tall. From the sit bones to your hands and fingers. Deep breath in. Exhale, relax the shoulders away from the ears. Inhale, bring the shoulders up. Push the palms up to the ceiling. Exhale, relax the shoulders. One more time. Inhale. Inhalas, estira. Hold your breath for a moment if you can, and then slowly release. Okay? Sweet. Rub your hands together. Like you're ready to eat your breakfast. If you haven't. Feel your hands getting warm. Close your eyes. Feel your hands getting warm. For 5, Warmer and warmer. Your shoulders here are relaxed, and you can bring them up for this. For 4, 3, 2, and now just separate your hands, palms up, feel the circulation. Now we're gonna inhale, reach the arms in front of you, and then as you exhale, like you're painting a wall, bring the hands all the way down. Let the fingers drop as you come down. Inhale, lift up. And now, like you're painting a wall down. Let the fingers drop, inhale up. Nice job, everyone. Exhale, paint your wall, nice and easy. Inhale up. 4, 3. 2 more. Inhale up. Exhale down. 1 more. Inhale up. And exhale down. Your hands fall on your lap, on your thighs. We're gonna move through the spine, articulating through the spine into our seated cat-cow. So gonna look this way so you can see me. So this is cat. We're bringing the belly in. Scary cat. The tailbone goes in, your chin goes forward. On the inhale, open your chest like a tiger or like a lion, sorry. Inhale. Look up slightly. On the exhale, around your back. You're bringing the navel in towards the spine, scary cat. And from the scary cat, you go to your powerful lion. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Again, you're moving like waves. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. So finding the balance between day and night, between lightness and darkness, between opening, closing. Exhale, just the natural rhythms. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Activity and inactivity. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. 1 more. Inhale, open. Stay nice and open. So you're staying powerful lying here. Lift the arms overhead, breathe in. Exhale, hands to your heart center. Bring your hands over your heart. Take a moment to find gratitude for something today. Anything. Just being here. Maybe it's your dog. Maybe it's your family, friends. Anything. Find gratitude. Deep breath in. And breathing out. Slowly release. We're going to do side bends. You're welcome to stand if you prefer to do side bend standing. I'm going to do both variations. But if you want to stay seated, you can stay seated, okay? Puedes sentarte o puedes pararte, okay? So, right arm is going to go up. Exhale, bending over. So you can be here or you can be here, right? Either one is okay. So it depends on your capacity, your ability. Let's do little pulses here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Without rush. 10 more. 1, 2, in Spanish. 3, 4, 5. We're training our brains as much as our body.
7, 8,
9 y 10. You stay here. The other arm, you can tuck it in or you can relax it. Just don't bring it your shoulder up to the ear. You're stretching the side. Inhale. Find length in the side and exhale. Just relax in the pose. Inhalas, estiras el lado. Exhalas, relajas, te relajas en la posición. 1 more. Inhale. Feel your side. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your fingers. And then as you exhale back to center. Notice the difference between left and right. And we're going to go to the other side, of course. You do have 2 sides. And we're going to arms, right? We had more arms. All right, let's do little pulses together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay here. Quédate. Relax your other arm. Maybe tuck it in. Find length on your side. Feel the side from the foot, if you're standing, to the hip, to the fingertips. Wiggle the fingers. Find your breath in. Are you okay? 2. ¿Estás bien? One more, inhale. And exhale back to center. And we go back to the chair. And we're going to, you can stay standing if you want. Just rotate your hips around. So if you're seated, just roll around. If you're standing, roll this way. Okay? When we're rolling, feel the hips, feel the rest of the body. So the hips lead the movement, the rest of the body follows. Or say good morning, my hips. So the hips are one of the parts of the body that gets tighter. Now switch the direction, especially if we're sitting down too much. For 2. For 3. For 4. And 5. Now move side to side. You're seated, just move side to side like you're dancing. If you're not, if you're standing, also like you're dancing. For 2. 3, nice up. Yeah, I love it.
4,
Make a smile on your face while you do this.
5,
6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Only back to center. We're gonna move into more into the lower body. You can stay seated, you can stay standing. We're gonna do marching, okay? Seated or standing, you can still march. Tap those feet to the ground, and you're moving opposite arm to opposite knee, or to opposite leg, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like you're moving with a partner. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Where are we going? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Good job. Can we do 10 more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 20. Take a break. Put your hands over your chest. Feel your heartbeat. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Exhale. Find a sense of relaxation for a moment. Breathe in. And let it out. Say, sigh out anything you haven't released that you need to. Breathe in. Exhale. Good job. We're going to continue moving. So this time we're going to bring the feet out. So if you're on a chair, you can bring it this way. If you're standing, also this way, but standing. Okay? So hand to your, knee to your hand. Knee to your hand. Keep your hands still about hip height. You know? And let's do this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're still moving. We're counting. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job, Ryan. Good job, Michael. Mike, Jonathan, Indiana, Allison,
4,
Suzanne,
5,
Stella,
6,
7, 8,
8,
9, 20. Good job.
30.
Counting, Michael. One more. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4,
4,
5,
6,
6,
7, 8,
9, and stop.
40.
Okay, stop. Feel your body. Yes. Feel your body. Exhale. Relax your breath. Breathe in. Feel your heart beating faster. Turning off our cardiovascular system. Exhale. One more. Breathe in. And breathe out. Let the breath go nice and slow. Calm down. And slowly release. One more, okay? So this is opposite hand to opposite knee. Again, seated or standing, it's okay. So when you cross your body like this, you are connecting both sides of your brain. So bring some down. Part of your brain that connects both sides.
1,
Center of your brain. 2,
2,
3, 4, 5, You feel like you're
Six,
counting out of breath, you don't
seven,
have to count, okay?
8,
8, 9,
9,
and 10.
10.
Together. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6, 7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
20.
20. Last. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
6,
really open.
7,
8,
8,
9, and 30.
30.
And stop. Feel your hips here. Take a deep breath in. Feel your heart. Exhale out. One more. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. All right, nice job. We're gonna do some tapping. You can do seated, you can do standing. We're gonna start with our head, okay? So tap your brain. You can close your eyes if you want to focus deeper on your own body parts, okay? Feel your brain tap all around. You can do fingertips or you can do palms. Nice and gentle tap. Wake up your brain cells. You can say, good morning, my brain. Good morning, my brain here. Feel your brain all around. Notice if there's any sense of tightness. And you can say to yourself, I release any thoughts that no longer serve me. I release any thoughts that no longer serve me, any ideas, any preconception. We're 95% unconscious, 5% conscious. So we're just programs, right? Running. So tap your brain. Tap your brain. Now with your fingertips, tap the forehead. Let the shoulders be relaxed here. Create a little vibration on your forehead. Your pineal glands and your pituitary glands. Nice and even taps. Now the sides of your brain, so your temples here, to sienes. Sienes, feel your temples. And then under the eyes, all around. Tapping out any tiredness from your under eyes. Any excess liquids from your face. With 2 fingers, go all the way up and have circle nasal bone. And again, you always have the option to sit down if you need it, okay? Then under the nose, between the nose and the mouth, you can feel your gums here. All around the mouth. Feel your lips. From your chin all the way up to the jawline. And right under the ears, tapping right there, feel under the ears. From this place, we're gonna go down to the neck. How warm in here? Is it warm?
Yes.
Like, yeah. So feel your throat. Let's make a sound as we tap. So we're vibrating our vocal cords. Inhale to the nose. Exhale. Oh. Feel the vibration of your voice in your neck. Now down to the chest. If you have a port, please be careful. Maybe just tap one side. If you don't, or also if you have any jewelry, like make sure you're not tapping right over it. Take it away. And give yourself power like Tarzan, okay? Deep inhale. Make a Tarzan sound. You can just make any sound you want. Inhale. Feel your voice. So your thymus gland is here, your chest, you're in your chest, right? In this area, also in charge of part of your immunity. Exhale. Giving it a little bit of a push, a little bit of a stimulation. Also your lungs, also your heart. Breathe in. And now place your hands over your chest. Feel the vibration. You just breathe it there. Take a deep breath in. And let it out. And say, thank you, my heart, for being today. Thank you, my heart. All right, let's do the shoulder. So tapping the right shoulder, or whichever one you want to start with. But I'm starting with the right. So tap your shoulder. Let that shoulder relax. Bring the arm up. Tap the whole arm at the top. Top of the hands and the fingers. And now give yourself an applause for doing that. Palms together. Palms together. Feel your palms. Wake up. We're waking up every part of the body. So on their side of the arm, as we do this, we start bringing the arm overhead, and we're going to tap the armpit. And feel on their side of the arm, all the way down, rib cage. Tap your lung. Exhale and exhale air out as you do this. On the side body. All the way to the hip. Now just for a moment, feel the difference between left and right. That is, the alignedness maybe more in one side than the other. And we're going to wake up the other side. So left shoulder tapping. Most of us go around disconnected from our bodies, and our bodies and kind, it's like when you have an illness, it's like your body's say, paying attention to me, pay attention to me. Okay, so top of your hands, and then palms together. And again, give yourself a thought for the other side of the arm. And then bring the arm up and tap your armpit. And keep breathing, of course, not too forcefully. And all the way down to your lung. Wake up your lung. Exhale and exhale air on this side. Motions all the way down to the hip. And one more time, close your eyes, feel the aliveness, left versus right. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out. All right, solar plexus, your vagus nerve, right here. Your connection between your gut and your brain. Your gut is your second brain, so tap your solar plexus. And again, if you need to sit down, go ahead. Tap your solar plexus. We're taking our time today, as you can see. So you can do fingertips. Yeah, there you go. This is your center of power. And now again, close your eyes, take a deep inhale. Maybe there's tenderness there. Exhale out. Let's make a sound. Inhale. Say ah. Feel how your voice changes with the vibration. Breathe in. You're stimulating your digestive system. Exhale. Come back. Then let it go. And then coming down the lower belly, all around. Just stop anywhere. All around the lower belly, all around. This is your creative power, physical energy center as well, center of creation. Linked to the element of water. Feel all around, stimulating your digestion. Okay. Now let's open the palms and let's tap with the rhythm. Find your own rhythm. Feel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, you can bite your fingertips too. Like your yellow.
4, 5, 6.
And your happy gallows make this smile. 9,
20, 1, 2,
and that's what we
3,
say for walk out.
4, 5, 6,
7,
8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
6,
7, 8,
9,
40,
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2,
Keep shaking
3,
your body as you
4, 5,
feel
6,
your whole
7,
body.
8, 9, 7,
Eat 3 more.
1, 2,
Inhale,
3,
exhale.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9,
80,
last
1,
20,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9,
90,
last
1,
10.
2,
Make these your best ones.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9, 100.
100.
Now bring your arms up like you're in a concert and shake up and down. Bring a lightness in your body. Keep breathing in and out. And let's count to 10 together. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7, 8,
8,
9, and 10.
10.
Bring the arms
1,
forward. Shake them forward. 3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9, 10 to
10.
the sides.
1, 2,
3,
3,
4,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10. Last
10.
one. So
1, 2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5, 6,
6,
7, 8,
9, and 10.
10.
Exhale. Feel your body. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out. Feel the aliveness in the body. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax your face. Relax your whole body. Feel every cell vibrating and imagine or visualize that breath as oxygen that comes in, nourishing your whole body, every part that you move, every part that you stimulated, any part that where your body needs it. Inhale, exhale. And you can come back to your chair if you're not there yet. And I'm gonna stay a little bit on the chair today. So we're gonna stretch into the lower leg. So you're gonna bring your right knee to the chest. And we're going to rotate the foot around. Feel your ankle. Now switch the direction to the other side. Flex and point your foot up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. 4, 5, 6, like you're painting a wall, little wall.
9,
10. Now side to side, directing your orchestra with your foot. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now you're gonna try to place that foot over your thigh. Beautiful job. And now rub your foot. Okay? Yeah, you're okay. Okay. Yeah. And so he's stretching. All right, inhale, lengthen the spine. Find length, keeping the length. Exhale, fold over the legs. Feel your body. Relaxing into the pose. So relax your shoulders here. Relax your face. Let your upper body sink into your lower body. And as you're here, just find your breath and let the breath be full and complete. Full, complete breath in and breath out. Notice what you feel. Breathe in and breathe out. Yogis, relax even more into the pose. And slowly inhale, come up. Now keeping the leg where it's at, we're going to bring the knee towards the chest slightly. You're slightly kind of looking over the right side also. This helps stimulate your internal organs. Looking over the right shoulder, pressing and the knee towards the chest. And let's breathe. Inhale, exhale. Breathe, inhale, exhale. One more, deep breath in. Exhale. Now keep your leg where it's at, but drop the knee. We're gonna go deeper into the twist. So your right hand is gonna go behind you. So you can grab the chair with your hand. And your left hand is gonna press into the outside of your right knee. Twisting. You're looking over the right shoulder. And you inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, look over the right shoulder. How far to the right can you look with your eyeballs? 2, 3. I want to hear you breathe. 4. On the last inhale, hold your breath and twist deeper. And notice as the need for breath arises in the body, exhale back to sit. Good job, everyone. We're going to drop that leg. Notice the difference between left and right from one. And this is the other side. The left leg. Press the knee towards the chest. Rotate the ankle. I'm running my ankle. You can talk to your body, you know. Maybe people will think you're crazy, but you can talk to your body. All right. Your body's always listening to what you're saying. Your brain's always listening. So say good things to yourself. Rotate the ankle to the other side. Point and flex. Point and flex. Jump. And then wave with your foot side to side. And bring it up, and over your other thigh. Notice the difference here. Notice if it's tighter than the other. Take a deep breath in. You can push that knee away a little bit if you want. And then as you exhale forward, fold over the leg. Try to find comfort in the pose, even if it feels discomfort. Finding comfort in the discomfort is a skill that we try to build here as well. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in. With each breath, just let your body relax deeper. Find deeper comfort here. One more, breathe in. One more, breathe out. Slowly inhale, come all the way up. And we're going to bring the knee toward the chest, keep the leg where it's at, slightly turn to the left. Feel deeper into everybody's different, but mostly in the outer side of the hips and even your glute muscle. Looking over the left shoulder, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. One more. Exhale. And now release the knee. And we're going to take the right hand to the outside of your left knee. Left hand behind you. You're going to press the knee to the hand, creating kind of like opposing forces that builds the strength. And then looking over to the left side. You're stretching here your eyeballs as well. So look all the way to the corners of your eyes. As you inhale, you lengthen. And you exhale, you twist. Inhale. And out. Last one, inhale, hold the breath. Hold it for 5. And notice as the need for breath arises. For 3, 2, twist deeper. And 1. And slowly release. Okay, nice job. And then right. And then release. All right, notice the feet, tap your heels out a little bit. Heels and toes. Heels and toes. We're gonna do a forward fold, so we can do a forward fold on the chair if that's your preference, or if you wanna stand again. So over the chair, we're gonna do this, just forward fold, okay? If you wanna stand, gonna put your hands on the chair and you're gonna straighten your back. Your whole back. The whole back body stretching. Relax your head between your arms. And push the hips back, like somebody's grabbing you from the hips and pulling you back. Feel the stretch in the arms. Feel the stretch in your whole spine. And in the back of your legs. Just take your time here to settle. Breathing in and out. You can move the head side to side like you're saying no. Or back and forth like you're saying yes. Notice the stretch. Where do you feel it? One more, inhale. Let it out through the mouth, say side out. And slowly, if you're on the chair, start rolling up. If you're standing, then walk your feet towards your chair and come all the way up. You see it. Now, if everybody can't stand up, I'm going to encourage you to do so. We're gonna do balance, okay? Balance is important. Trust me. So you can always use the chair or a wall if you need it, okay? And if you need help, please let me know. All right. So we're gonna stand right next to the chair. We're gonna stand right next to the chair. Come here. Fine. Okay, here. 1 second. 1 second. So make sure the chair doesn't fall, okay? All right. All right. So we're gonna do. So option one, we're gonna do tree pose. So option most simple one is just take the heel towards the ankle, right? Right, like this. And see if you can let go of the chair. And make sure you stay safe, nice and grounded, okay? You have your variations. If you want to go deeper, go ahead and take the leg up higher. And bring your palms together. Or bring your arms overhead.
Hello.
Whichever variation you do, just try to find stability, okay? You're aiming towards stability. Now, this is too easy for you already. Close your eyes. Or sway, okay. Or sway side to side. But first, find stability, okay? Most importantly, find stability. And then you can find your variations, whatever.
I have my knee against the chair.
The what?
I have my knee against the chair. So I'm in the pose, but I'm cheating.
Okay, yeah, I cannot see you, but okay. And now reach your arms up high, breathe in. Or one arm up, okay? Breathe out. Or 2, 3, 4, and 5. See if you can bring your knee up towards the chest. Like you're gonna take a big step here, big step. And if you fall, just try again. This is all about practicing. And now see if you can take your airplane pose. If you are hanging onto the chair, make sure that chair is stable. And fly with your wings. Maybe just one wing. And stay here. Breathe. For 3. You can do this. Feel that other leg getting stronger, left or right, whatever is down, and slowly release. And stop your release. Do a little dance. And let's do the other side. So, stepping over to the other side of the chair or turning around. Maybe your left hand comes to the chair. That's fine. I'm remove this chair. Or like do it. Okay. All right. So right heel towards the left ankle. Find yourself nice and tall. See if you can find stability here. Sometimes even we think the most simple ones are the most challenging. So don't think this is more simple. And now bring the leg up if you can, higher up. You don't want to push your hip to the side. You want to find nice and stable upper body, okay? And maybe you bring your arms up. And maybe you look up. Or close your eyes. And dance it out. Dancing tree pose. Okay, my left side today seems really confusing. Maybe find like swaying, your tree is still strong. And now arms go up, inhale, exhale. For 5, 4, 3. Well, imagine that you're a tree. So trees are not rushing, they're just there. You know, no rushers watching. Maybe rain comes, maybe wind comes. Okay, knee comes up. Take a big step, step, step. And now you're gonna fly. Airplane or bird pose, whatever you prefer to be today. Feel that stability. Where are we flying to? Where do you want to go? For 3, for 2, and for 1, release. Good job, yogis. All right, now option here, we're gonna take relaxation for the last 5 minutes. You can come to the ground if that's your preference. If you cannot come to the ground, you can just sit on your chair, find a relaxed position, maybe like a pillow to lean onto, and maybe you can bring your legs over another chair even, or a couch. Now, I do encourage you, if you're on the ground, to bring the legs off the chair. Why? Because it helps that circulation, it helps release liquids from your lower body. I'm gonna bring your chair here, okay? So, bring your legs off and let the whole body relax. You can turn the lights on or cover your eyes to let the eyes rest as well. And now all you want to do is rest here. Let your practice integrate. Letting the breath flow in and out. We start scanning the body from the head, the eyes, relaxing all your facial muscles, your forehead, any frown lines that you're holding on to. Relaxing the throat and the back of your throat. Noticing if it's moist or dry. Without judgment. Relax your shoulders, your arms, all the way down to your fingertips. Noticing any sensations between your hands are either the ground or your body or the clothing. Taking the awareness down to the chest and noticing the ebb and flow of your breath here. Bringing the awareness down to your abdominal area and keep feeling that breath nourishing every cell in your body. Give your body permission to send that healing energy to any parts that need it the most. Trusting your body's wisdom to recover, to rebalance. Bringing the awareness to the hips, to the thighs, the back of the thighs, back of the knees, the shins and the calves. Feeling that breath flowing down to the ankles, or up to the ankles, to the feet. and all the toes, every one of them. Visualize that breath as healing light that enters your body, going to every part, every cell, millions and trillions of cells working together, working in unison. So you can be here right now. Start feeling your body enveloped by this light that is safe, that supports you, that holds you. If you have a spiritual practice, you can visualize this as the light of whatever divine means to you. Whatever shape or form. Expressing gratitude for this moment. Expressing gratitude for your body. Expressing gratitude for yourself. Slowly, we're bringing the awareness back to this space, your physical space. Wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers, wiggle your nose. Maybe move the head side to side, starting to bring movement to the body. Your eyes can still be closed. And as you feel ready, if you're on the ground, bringing the knees towards your chest and rolling over to one side or the other to come all the way up back to a seated position. Maybe cross-legged. If you are on a chair, maybe bring the legs down. Yeah, I know it's right.
Sorry.
We'll come back. Sitting up nice and straight, rolling the shoulders back. Rolling the head to one side and to the other. Bring your palms together to your heart center. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. One more time, deep breath in. Let it out. Thanking yourself. Say namaste. I'm your name. Namaste, Bea. And namaste to each one of you. Thank yourself first. Thanking you for sharing your space, your breath, and your practice with me. And letting me guide you. Happy week. So
Thank you, Bea.
remember your intention and take a little step every day towards that intention that you set. Namaste.
Oh, that's my stuff. Yeah.